What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy Doomza, the boy, and I am back again with week 9 of trying to turn 500 to 100,000 rands. And ladies and gentlemen, if it's your first time, can you please hit that subscription button and that notification bell so you'll be notified every time the boy drops a new video. And I won't even lie, man. I won't even lie. Yesterday, it was Thursday. Today's Friday. Yesterday we took a trade, and I won't even lie, man. We got cooked. But let me just show you the trade. We got cooked, yes, but let me just show you the trade. So we took the trade around 12 o'clock, and this was 8th of May. It was Thursday, and yeah, man, so this was the first screen record right over here. So we took some entries, and let me pause. Do you remember that the account, we left it on 5 point something? I don't remember actually, but I said that we are going to add up, we are going to add some money on the account. So that's what I did. So that's why the account, you see right now, it's 7 bands, right? So let's just play a screen record right now. Took some entries, and then we were in some little profit, about 3,000 in profit. Yeah, man, we took some buys on gold, right? And yeah, and then around 2 p.m 2 p.m, we're deep in profit. We're running about 7,000. We're running about 7,000, as you can see. And yeah, it's a 7,000. The prices were moving good at this point. I won't even lie, I was very confident about it. I thought, like, we are going for the TP, bro. I thought we were going to smash that 30k, bro. I won't even lie. But around 3 p.m, we're deep in profit, bro. We're running 15,000 rands. 15,000 rands, bro. We're running about 15,000 rands, and damn, we're deep in profits. We're very, very deep in profit. Gold was buying, man. Gold was buying, and I was like, we are really going for that 30k. And at this point, I was like, okay, maybe I'm going to hold it to like 48,000.
Cap.
I'm just kidding, bro. Just kidding. But around 5 p.m, the prices started to retrace, and I thought, it's a little bit of a retracement. And as you can see, we're running about 11,000. And yeah, the market was starting to consolidate in 15 minutes though. But I thought we're still going to go to the upside. And then past 5, the market dropped. As you can see, the market dropped, and in 5 minutes, as you can see, it formed some type of head and shoulder pattern, and then the market dropped. And yeah, the market really dropped, and I saw that thing in 1 hour time frame, and I was like, okay, boy, we are about to get cooked, bro. We are about to get cooked for real. But then I decided to hold. I decided to hold my trades, because the only thing that I hate in these markets is that I'll place my orders right here, and then let's say I'm buying the market goes up, right, and then prices come back to retest on my entry point, and then continue to go to the upside. And I thought in this situation it was going to be the exact same as what I'm explaining right now. So I was like, okay, I'm not going to lock my profit. The market will retrace and then continue to move to the upside, because I was very, very confident about this trade. but then you cannot win all the time. That's the sad reality in trading, though. So it is what it is. And then it's 17:42. Yeah, man. As you can see that we're down by 1.5 at this point. 1.5 at this point. Prices were deep into the downside, and I was like, okay, boy, you can keep the composure and trying to relax, But I had to do some screenshot for you guys. I didn't want to check the market because I was risking 7,332 rand and 66 cents on this trade, right? But then I had to keep you guys updated all the time, right? And then 1758, 1758, this broker just decided, okay, we are going to take out some positions, right? And then there were two positions left. I didn't close them manually, the broker did close them automatical. And yeah, man, it's really sucked because I knew at this point that okay, I actually lost, bro. I actually lost, but at 18:05, okay, bro, the broker decided to close another trade too, and as you can see, I was deep in losses, deep in losses. So at this point, bro, I was like, okay, I'm done, bro. I'm done, bro. And that was it, bro. That was it. On the account, we were left by 1,515 rand and 60 cents. So we lost, but I need to show you guys the setup that I've cooked in order to take this trade, right? So that's what we are going to do right now, ladies and gentlemen, because as you can see, we lost and there's nothing I can do about it, and there's nothing you can help me do something about it. Okay guys, so right now let me just break this trade down for you guys so you can actually see why I took this trade. So one thing about me, if you know Thumbs at the boy doesn't complicate his analysis. Keep it straight up, keep simple, keep it as simple as it can get. So let's jump straight to the analysis, right? Let's start with this level right over here, right? So as you can see that I've marked this sensitive level right over here. So we had resistance and then prices broke it and came back to retest it, making it an area of interest, making it a support and resistance, right? And then prices came all the way down, to retest this level or an area of interest, right? Making it a support area, right? And then prices bounced back, and then at the second time, prices didn't actually retest, the level again, so I thought that was it, so as you can see right over here, prices were dipping to the downside right over here, and then prices created a high that I thought prices will take out, prices dropped, and then bounced back from here, and then from at this point, I really thought, okay, prices will not retest this level twice. So I really thought, okay, now it was time for the market to push to the upside, but I needed a little bit of a manipulation and a confirmation in 15 minutes. So that's why I went straight to 15-minute time frame. I waited for a manipulation that gold always do over and over and over again. So let me just plug you in, guys, right? So gold, before making a move most of the time, right, it will do something like this right over here. It will range in the small time frames, right? It will range, and then it will sell. If it's going to buy, it will sell and then it will quickly, give you a big fat blue candle for you to enter, right? So this is what gold actually did. As you can see, prices were ranging at this point, right? Prices were ranging at this point, and then boom, this was a manipulation, right? And then quickly prices gave us this blue candle for entries, and I didn't hesitate because it's the only thing that I know, bro. It's the only thing that I know. I got in, and yeah, man, I got in because I actually knew in my head, okay, bro, this trade will be a banger trade. And I got in right over here, and I got in, and yeah, man, prices started to go up a little bit. Right over here, we're running about 15 bands. So maybe I was going to hold the trade up until, the overall take profit. And this was a huge distance, bro. We're going to make about, 40 bands at this trade, bro. 40 bands of, 45, somewhere around there, I don't know. But as you can see, that prices, started going down, and then prices stopped us out, and I decided to close the trade automatically. But as you see, guys, this was a nice trade for me, because I know that I will not win every single trade in the market, right? But all I need to do is to try to protect my money, apply risk management, because actually I applied risk management there because I didn't, take the whole 50k and then, deposited it and then blew it all, right? It was risk management. We have another money to fund the account. And yeah, guys, that was it, man, for week 9 of trying to turn 500 to 100,000 rands. I didn't, do revenge trading because, that's not what professional traders do. I think like a professional trader. I didn't say I'm a professional trader. I think as a professional trader, because I understand there are some wins and there are some losses in the game, bro. And all you need to do, is to apply risk management and then stick to your edge, bro. And do not hesitate all of your trades, bro. If your setup appears, get in before it's too late, and do not hesitate. Apply risk management, and then you'll be good, man. You'll be good. And guys, please follow my IG account, because right over here, man, I'll be, asking you, some questions, on my story, on what, maybe videos you would like to see Tumza the Boy recording. And yeah, man, go follow my IG account right over here, and I will see you guys on week 10 of trying to turn 500 to 100,000 rands. So next week, we'll try to catch some good trades. And yeah, this week we only took one trade for the challenge. And yeah, man, that was it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Yes, sir.